There are about 1,200 million smokers worldwide and 15 billion cigarettes are bought every day. Each cigarette contains tobacco leaves which are burned, and the smoker draws the smoke from the burning leaves down through their breathing system in their lungs. Tobacco smoke contains a cocktail of more than 7,000 chemicals, and the chemicals which I'm now going to show is the main substance inside the cigarette. So first is tar. Tar is a dark and sticky substance that could be collected inside the lung. It is dangerous because it can paralyze the cilia, which is a tiny hair on the surface of the bronchi and bronchioles. And the destroy of cilia means that mucus is no longer removed from the lungs, and it means bacteria inside the mucus uh, couldn't be removed. So this can lead to a greater risk of infection. And tar is also dangerous because it's carcinogenic, which means it can cause the cancer. Yeah. And second substance is carbon monoxide, and third is nicotine. Carbon monoxide is also a really dangerous substance because it attaches to the hemoglobin instead of oxygen, which means less oxygen can be reached to the respiring cells, so aerobic respiration rate decreases, and so less energy is produced. This may sound not that serious, but it is really serious problem because less energy produced, then it will be really bad. And nicotine is also another substance which is really dangerous, and it is really dangerous because it's really addictive, and this is the main reason why smokers couldn't stop and control themselves from smoking. Yeah, as you see inside this diagram, the this solution get red, which means it get acidic. The carbon monoxide and nicotine can make the neutral substance into acidic. Okay, let's see this animation, and yeah, let's see how smoke affect and how can smoke affect. Yeah, this is as you smoke. Ooh, as you smoke. So as you smoke, all of the different parts of your body can be affected, and they can cause the disease. First is cilia. This is a tar substance, and this is bacteria and dusting, which are normally inside the mucus. Okay, so as you can see, as you can notice, as the tar substance go inside to the mucus get darker and cilia dies. So because cilia dies, the mucus is no longer removed from the breathing tubes. This means the the chance of infection get increases, and smokers often cough more than non-smokers because they want to remove their mucus by coughing, and this cause a really huge problem later. Second, bronchi get affected. Bronchi get affected uh, because it is just same reason. It is really relating reason as the infection of uh, cilia. Because cilia get paralyzed, the mucus doesn't get removed, and it can increase the chance of infection, and yeah, the bronchi get infected easily. so get inflamed and infected. So this can cause shortness of breath and chest pain. And thirdly, smoke affects the alveoli. Alveoli. This is a normal alveoli, normal human alveoli. And as you smoke, you get darker, darker, darker. That means tar go into your air sacs. And now the walls between all those alveolus, just get removed. So then the structure of the alveoli get really simple. So it means surface area of it decreases, and which can also mean that it uh, the respiration rate get decreases because surface area of it decrease. And this is also because of the lots of coughing. Due to the extensive coughing, the elasticity due to the extensive coughing, the elasticity and quality of the alveolus will get degraded. This is also the reason why alveoli cell will just get destroyed. And cancer is also affected by the smoking. Uh, because tar also contain the because tar is carcinogenic substance, it can cause mutations inside the nucleus of some of the cells. Yeah, they start to grow out of control, and this is what we call lung cancer. So as the lung cancer just get continue, the tumors can grow very, very large. Yeah, they can grow very, very large. The tumors get grow very, very large. They can be very large. It's like almost 1/3 of the lung. And those big tumors broken down into the small pits, they may break down to the small pits, and that means they move around the body inside the bloodstream, and it can cause the cancer from the other parts of the body. So it means really dangerous. And here is the actual statistic that can show the patterns between smoking and lung cancer. This is cigarette consumption through the year. It is like this, and this is a lung cancer rate through the year. As you can notice, the cigarette consumption graph and lung cancer graph looks really similar. The change is just they move 20 to 30 years later. This can show there are really strong link between smoking and lung cancer. So this was the introduction about the smoking effect. So some bad disease can be occurred from the smoking, and also some bad substances inside the tobacco. And thank you for listening, and don't smoke.